So good morning traders. What we're gonna do a top-down multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what's going on. Okay. So starting from the monthly time frame, this was the last resistance that turned into support. It closed above, seems like it retested it on this next candle, and right now price is going upside. If we drop our Fibonacci into the last impulsive move, we can clearly see that price created a high at around 3500, then corrected back downside toward 38.2%, and right now it's trying to create a new higher high. Perfect. So let's see what's going on into the weekly perspective. So in monthly time frame we are bullish. In weekly perspective, this is the last resistance that turned into support. Price went higher, created all-time highs, corrected back downside. If we drop off Fibonacci onto this move, this area, this area is perfectly lining up with the golden ratio, the optimal trade entry area, and then price just came here, showed us a good rejection, and right now the price is trying to make a new higher high. So this is going to be our next high probability liquidity that we're targeting. So let's see what's going on in daily perspective. In daily perspective, this is the last resistance that turned into support. Price went back upside, closed above, failed to stay above, then closed below this level, and it seems like price is trying to go above this level again. This is a really important area that we are monitoring from last few weeks. Like price rejected multiple times from this area from both sides, and the level is at around a really strong psychological number 2 like 3350. So if we drop a Fibonacci onto this last impulsive move to the upside, this area is perfectly lining up with the golden ratio 61.8, and it's showing us a good rejection. This is the last Friday candle, and the last Friday was bearish on the first half like during London session, and during London close and NYU open, price straight away went upside, giving us a really good daily rejection candle from this zone. So what we can look for, even to the daily, like weekly, even to the weekly candle is showing, telling us that the next weekly candle will can open, trade back a little lower to like below this previous weekly low before starting the move towards upside. But at the same time, we can see a really good rejection from this kind of levels in daily time frame. So what we're gonna do, uh, okay, there are two possible scenarios over here. Okay, I'm gonna mark this level because it's lining up with like 78.6. This is the last area where we're gonna look for longs and structural shifts. So into the 4 hourly time frame, um, what I will be waiting for, I will be waiting for a structural shift. So this is the high, this is the low. What I will be waiting for a new higher high, and then I will try to get involved into this one. As price close above this, I will just try to get involved at around this level with a stop below this. And if price start moving, like keep moving downside, clear this lows, I will be looking for another structural shift at around this kind of levels to get involved into this trade. And my target will be this high, this highs are gonna be my target. So that's my views on gold. So let's see how it goes. Okay,